Welcome back to Lunch at the Market. We're going to get right to the point today. We're laying back out a trade that's an old favorite. We're selling the 41 strike calls on our long BVN stock. This stock continues to pay a dividend on the name, though, by selling calls against it. We took in $1.15 for the calls, not a bad price at all, considering this would get us out of the stock at effectively $42.15, about $3.29, nearly 10% higher. We'll keep doing this trade every time out calls roll off expiration until we see it finally called away. Another old favorite trade, selling the Apple 230-220 put spread. You can get nearly $2 for selling this spread in September, and you only have 24 days until expiration. Not a bad trade. It worked out well for us last month and the month before. We'll try it again next month and see if 3 times isn't the charm. We're keeping a close eye on our puts that we own. We have many positions that we own protective puts on. This means that we've given ourselves more time to make a decision on the stock. Guess that's why they call them options. Take Western Digital, symbol WDC. Their trade has been horrible for us, but we own 27 strike puts, so we can actually make someone take WDC off our hands for $27, even though the stock is only trading at $23.86 right now. We could sell the puts for a profit and ride the stock up from the current levels. We have too many concerns about the health of the market right here, so we'll hold our puts into the week of expiration and then make a decision. Sorry to whoever sold us those come expiration, but we own puts on Teva, US Steel, that's letter X, Cisco, Western Digital, and a few other names. We'll exercise every one of those and raise a ton of cash into September OPEX. That's a fancy shortened way to say options expiration. We did manage to buy some Salesforce.com call spreads for January. That stock is about the best growth story out there right now. We also like ERJ, the Brazilian aerospace and defense products and services company. The PE is fair, around 14 for current and 12 for forward, but they have $12.36 per share in cash with $376 million in free cash flow generated a year on over $1 billion in operating cash flow. Their dividend is small, about 0.5%, but it clearly has some room to grow. We like aerospace, and the market is giving you a chance to buy ERJ much less than it did a week ago. 52-week high is $27.39, about $4 higher. We like the stock and our buyers here today. Thanks for tuning in. We should be wrapping up our shooting of our new video to be out next week. We'll be editing this weekend, and we'll see if we can't get that out to you next week. It will be a must-watch for sure. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.